A rabbit, right. All right.
Very
Miley,
good.
stand back here. Melissa, stand back. All right, put your mask on. Put your mask on. Melissa. All right, are you ready? I'm going to wait till everybody's sitting up straight. That's going to move back. Monkey's supposed to be back there. All right, here we go. Ready? Once upon a time, there was a rabbit who thought she was the fastest animal of all.
I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. You're slow poke. I can beat you. I'm faster than you. Get out of my way.
Okay.
I backed you. I can beat you. You're the slow animal of all of them. Why you have a race?
Go to the tree.
Go to the tree and back.
First one here.
The first one here is the winner. And work. Get set, go.
All right, so they took off. The rabbit took off fast and ran and ran and ran. The turtle walked slowly. And the rabbit got all the way to the tree, the halfway point, and decided the turtle was so far behind that she had plenty of time she could even take a nap. So the rabbit fell asleep, thinking that the turtle was so slow. Nothing. It's a little dusty. And the rabbit took a nice long nap. And finally, the turtle was almost there.
Go turtle. The turtle's winning.
Okay, go turtle.
The turtle's gonna win.
All right, with that, the rabbit woke up, looked for the turtle. Looked for the turtle over there. And didn't see the turtle. Looked at the finish line and realized. And she ran as fast as she could, but it was too late.
The turtle won.
All right, very good.